my hair. Oh my god.
Yeah, you look like a mad woman. You're from downtown. No? Come closer to you. You're mad. You look like a downtown woman sitting at the market.
with my plastic plate,
plastic and eating, and then in front you have all of your pandangas.
Hi Feds, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Hi Feds, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. How are you guys doing? It's a brand new day here, another day of packing for me. Yes, that's what today is about, packing. I woke up this morning at about 5:30 when my phone alarm. I'm like, nope, I'm not ready. I'm going back to bed. You want chocolate? What are you supposed to say? Say.
Please.
Very good. Always say.
Please.
Yeah. Say good morning to Faves. What do you want?
Milk.
You want milk?
No.
What do you want?
Water.
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 Please.
Please.
Here you go. Say.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Anyway, I was saying to you guys that my phone alarm at 5:30 this morning. I'm like, nope, not doing it. Went back to sleep. Phone alarm at 6. I'm like, nope, still not doing it. 6:30, nope, not doing it. 7 o'clock, yes, I have to now. I don't have a choice. That's how tired I was this morning, and it's just Monday, and I'm tired. Anyway, got up and I decided that even if it's 10 minutes workout, I am getting it in this morning, because if I don't do it this morning, I am not going to do it again for the rest of today. So I got 25 minutes in, which I'm very happy about. I'll take it over anything. Got my boy ready, drop him off to school, babe head out for work. Now Sarah and I are back home. It's just 5 minutes after 9 a.m. in the morning, and that's a good time because I need to get some energy. So I'm going to get some breakfast and jump right into packing. I'm going to see how much I can pack today. If I can finish knockout packing for me and the 2 kids, that would be great, because tomorrow is another day of a different mission, which I don't want to have too much packing to tomorrow. Anyway, you guys, so have a good day, enjoy today's vlog. Catch up and keep up with the fam bam. There's no mosquito right now. Catch up and keep up with the fam bam. Love you guys. I'm gonna find some porridge for my daughter, and we'll see you guys throughout the rest of today. So see you guys later. You want porridge?
Porridge?
Say yes, mama.
Yes, Mama. Salt. Mama.
She's talking to you guys. Talk to Faves. Talk to Faves. Talk to Faves. What you telling them? Tell them something. Yes. Say have a good day.
Have a good day.
Say be nice.
Be nice.
Be kind.
Be kind.
Packing is in full swing today. Full swing. I'm packing Sarah's stuff. That's what I started out with today. And I'm still here doing that. That's what we're doing today. Packing, and more packing. After Sarah, I'm gonna move on to Tyler, and I'm gonna leave mine for last. It's me again with my doodle plats. Here I am pausing for lunch. Finish packing for Sarah, finish packing for Tyler with some last minute things to add for them. But majority of the packing for them is finished. So I'm pausing for lunch real quick. What I'm having for lunch right now, a quick salad. I'm having barbecue chicken from last night that I warm up, and lettuce, tomato, carrot, and corn. And while I have no time to waste, so while I am eating lunch, I am working on editing a vlog for one day this week. And then when I finish eating, I am going to put some laundry out on the line, and then I'm going to jump right into packing for myself. So my day is just going. And by the time I should finish packing for myself, it's time to go pick up Tyler from school. Phew, honey child, I put down Sarah for a nap just now. She's not sleeping as yet, but at least she's done to get some rest. So hopefully you guys are doing well and having a good day and just doing what you gotta do, because I'm doing what I gotta do over here. You guys, I carried the camera with me just now on the road with every intention of vlogging when I pick up Tyler, but I guess the sun was driving me that crazy. I didn't remember to vlog at all. But anyway, my day has been busy, tiring. Went and pick up Tyler. The sun is turned up. I'm back now, and I'm jumping right back into routine, right back into the program. Now that I finished packing for the 2 kids, I edited a little bit. Now I need to go and pack for myself. Wish me luck. Sarah's over there. I'm gonna show you guys Tyler.
Mama, the bear.
Yes?
The bear.
Okay. Where's the bear?
Look at the bear.
Okay, I soon come and look. You guys, a quick pause from my packing and realize that it's 6 p.m. I need to make dinner for the family. Normally this time dinner would be ready already. But when you have so much things doing, so many things doing, the time just fly by real quick and you don't even realize what time it is. So I'm doing a real quick dinner. I have so much leftovers. So I have chicken from yesterday, I have sausages from yesterday, I have some little corned beef and cabbage from the day before that. So I'm just gonna incorporate those into dinner. And I'm doing a quick stir-fried green beans, and then the fastest thing that always saves and everybody likes, mac and cheese. So mac and cheese it is today. So I'm doing just 1 box because normally I would do 2 boxes, but I'm doing 1 box because when I cannot have any leftover, to make sure that the food finish leading up to our flight day, that's a win. So I am going to just leave this on the stove, check on it from time to time while I continue to sort my clothes. I'm on the final stretch of packing right now. I'm just sorting out my outfit to see what to carry and what not to carry. So while this takes care of itself, I'll be taking care of myself. Oh God. Anyway, y'all, let's go check on the kids first though, shall we? Are they? Hello.
Look at the pretty book.
Hello, Tyler.
Hello.
Say hello to the faves.
Good morning. Wow. Good morning. Look at the pretty books.
Reading book. Wow, that's a lot. Those are lots of color books you have there. Lots of coloring books.
Thank you, Mom. I'm trying to choose the book to choose which one I need to carry on.
Very good. That's a good idea. So you're trying to see which one you're carrying with you?
Yes.
Very good idea. All right, continue. Mama
I
is...
don't think I'm going to take one Paw Patrol one.
You don't have to. Just choose any one you have. You have a lot up there.
For
Just...
now is this one.
Okay, and make sure you find your puzzle book too.
Puzzle book?
Yes, your puzzle book. All right,
Queen?
any one of your puzzle book, just find one. Okay, so find it.
ABC.
Tata is doing ABC.
Yes.
Okay, you are doing ABC too?
Papa Choo, Papa Choo, Papa Choo.
Lots of Paw Patrol.
Yes.
Okay, all right.
Papa Choo.
All right, Mama is gone. See you later.
Mama.
Yes, Ty.
The book is right here.
Not that puzzle book.
It's a puzzle book.
That is a puzzle book, but it's not that puzzle book I want you to look for.
Which one?
The puzzle that you do with the pen, finding words. That puzzle book I'm talking. Not puzzle for you to arrange. Silly. Please to take up the book. Don't do that. Put it back right where it was. Sarah, do not stand on the suitcase, please. Tyler, can you remove the suitcase from there and push it underneath your bed, underneath the table right there, please? Watch your sister toes. Just push it. Move the books from behind you. Yes, read book. Sit and read the book. Just push it. Voila. Good job. Turn it the other way. Turn it this way. Leave it right there. Very good. Good job. All right. Now you can access your books easier. Look at my hair. Oh my god.
Yeah, you look like a mad woman. You're from downtown. No? Come from closer to you. You're mad. You look like a downtown woman sitting at the market.
With my plastic plate.
Plastic and eating, and then in front you have all of your pandangas that you sell.
You paint a good picture. You know what's up. But it's true enough. I said don't people do it. You guys, you know what time it is? This
Almost 10.
never happen unless I'm in a French person house. Not even a French people house. You would still be sitting at the table but not just starting to eat.
Oh, your favorite daughter is crying. Anyway guys, you had a good day? Let's say everything. So had a long day too.
I had a long day. My day is still not finished.
And my day is not finished, but right now my foot is crashing. I need to relax my foot. I need to go get something to drink and just sit down, breathe, and think what we meant to do for the rest of the day. So it's 10 p.m.
10 p.m. and I'm eating dinner, just picking up something to eat. And if babe didn't say, honey, you need to come and eat, I'd probably drink some water and go to my bed later.
And then after she tell me, my head is hurting. Are you that?
I'm still packing, still not finished. and I'm doing as much as I can tonight, so I'm not going to bed no time soon. When I feel my body crashing,
probably asleep in Hampshire.
then I'll go to bed. I'm still going to press out my hair tonight.
What you need to do to your hair?
Press it
What is pressing?
with the iron.
Okay. Alright, I'll let you do.
So I don't know if I'll be able to, but fingers crossed. If my body says no tomorrow, then tomorrow. But for now, I have the mindset of doing it tonight. So let's see how that goes. So I'm just munching on just a piece of chicken, some green beans, and a little bit of cabbage and corned beef. No carbs, and I'm gonna go to bed.
Let's see how it goes. So yeah, hopefully you all had a wonderful day. And yeah, soon vacation. Soon vacation. So I'm sure you don't want to miss tomorrow's vlog. So you don't forget to give the thumbs up, to comment, to share, to catch up, to keep up. And we come back tomorrow, right?
Most definitely.
See you guys tomorrow.